How to reset forgotten Windows password without losing data. This method works only with local account. You will need a Windows installation USB, but we don't need to reinstall Windows. Let's begin. First, connect your USB drive. Next, restart your computer to go to boot menu. Boot into your USB drive. Press Shift and F10 to open cmd. Type the following commands on the video. Now type the following command to restart the computer. Remove your USB drive after doing the previous steps. Click on Ease of Access button. This will open cmd. Type the following commands on the video. Now type exit and unlock the windows with the new password. Congratulations, the new password is worked. Now we should restore the original utilman.exe file. First, restart your computer by go to Start menu. Press Shift and click Restart at the same time to go to Windows Recovery Environment. Go to Troubleshot. Go to Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Click on your local account. Now type the new password and press Enter to open cmd. Type the following commands on the video. Finally, type the following command to restart the computer. Now we have finally restored the utilman.exe, and you can use your computer without any problem. Thanks for watching.